Hi, flower and fish lovers. Welcome back to Blue Aquatics. Today, we will explore rare, unique, and often overlooked tips to maximize your flower-on's head size. These techniques go beyond the basics, focusing on innovative methods and subtle tricks known only to the pros. So, ready to unlock these secrets? Let's dive in. Step 1 is head massage technique. One of the most unusual yet effective methods is gently massaging the head. Using clean hands, you can occasionally rub the neutral hump in a gentle, circular motion. This stimulates blood flow and encourages healthy head tissue growth. Be sure your hands are clean and free of any contaminants. Perform this once a week for 1 to 2 minutes to avoid stressing the flower on. Step 2. Add iodine supplements. Iodine is an overlooked nutrient that supports proper tissue growth. Adding liquid iodine drops to your tank in controlled amount can enhance the head's development. It strengthens cell regeneration and helps your flower achieve a healthier, firmer head. Step 3. Use black water extract. Black water extract mimics the natural environment of many fish, providing tannins that reduce stress and enhance health. This environment creates optimal conditions for the flower to thrive, focusing its energy on head growth. Add black water extract sparingly to create a darker, enriched water setup. Step 4. Incorporate algae-based foods. Algae-based foods like spirulina, flakes, chlorella provide an exceptional source of micronutrients, proteins, and antioxidants essential for head development. Spirulina contains high levels of beta-carotene and phycocaine, which help reduce oxidative stress in cells, ensuring that the head tissue grows in a healthy manner. Moreover, spirulina stimulates the immune system, keeping the flower disease-free and allowing it to allocate energy toward growth rather than recovery from illness. Mix algae-based foods into the diet 2 to 3 times a week as a supplement, ensuring they do not overpower the main protein-rich diet. Over time, this approach can significantly enhance both head size and the vivid coloration of the flower. Step 5. Introduce a head booster gel. Specialized head booster gels contain a blend of amino acids, vitamins, and trace elements that directly enhance head growth. These gels are designed to be applied directly to food pellets, making them easy to incorporate into your flower diet. The amino acids promote protein synthesis, which is crucial for tissue development in the head. These boosters also contain safe growth hormones that encourage localized head expansion. To use this effectively, start with a minimal quality and observe your fish response over 2 to 3 weeks. Prolonged overuse should be avoided to prevent unnatural growth or dependency. Step 6. Play music near the tank. Flower-ons are surprisingly receptive to external vibrations, including those from music. Playing soft, rhythmic tunes with minimal bass can create a soothing environment that reduces stress. Stress often inhibits head growth, so eliminating it ensures the fish has more energy for physical development. For a more stimulating environment, experiment with light classical music or calming nature sounds. Avoid loud or aggressive music, as it may cause stress instead of promoting growth. Observing your fish reaction to the vibrations can help you fine-tune this method for optimal results. Step 7. Optimize oxygen levels. Proper oxygenation is vital for flower-on's metabolic process. Enhanced oxygen levels support efficient nutrient absorption and promote faster cell regeneration in the head. Install high-quality air stones or a strong air pump to maintain constant aeration. Additionally, Ensure that your filter system is well maintained, as clogged filters can lead to reduced oxygen exchange. Regularly clean or replace the filter media and conduct partial water changes weekly. Pairing this with a slightly increased water temperature around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius optimizes the environment for head growth. Step 8. Alternate protein sources. Diversifying protein sources prevents dietary monotony and ensures that your flower receives a wide range of essential amino acids. While pellets should remain the primary food source, supplement them with raw shrimp, earthworms, and krills. These food contain specific proteins and fats that target head development. For example, krill is rich in astatine, which enhances the red and orange coloration around the head, making it more visually prominent. Feed these protein-rich treats sparingly, no more than twice a week, to prevent overfeeding or water contamination. Step 9. Use floating toys. Flowerons are highly intelligent and curious fish. Adding floating toys such as lightweight ping pong balls or custom fish safe objects stimulates their natural instincts to interact and push objects around. These constant activity strengthens the muscles near the head, contributing to a more pronounced hump over time. Ensure that the toys are thoroughly cleaned and free from harmful chemicals or sharp edges that could injure your floweron. Limit the use of toys to a few hours a day, as overexposure might cause stress or exhaustion. Step 10. Install UV sterilizers. UV sterilizers kills harmful microorganisms, bacteria, and parasites in the water, creating a pristine environment for the floweron. A clean tank ensures that the fish focuses its energy on growth instead of fighting off infections. Additionally, UV light reduces algae growth, keeping the water crystal clear and maintaining optimal visibility of the fish's vibrant head. When installing a sterilizer, ensure that it is compatible with your fish tank size and flow rate. Keep it running for 8 to 12 hours a day to balance efficiency and energy consumption. Step 11. Feed antioxidant rich foods. Oxidative stress can damage growing head tissue, slowing down its development. Including antioxidant rich foods such as blueberries, kale, or specially formulated pellets boost cellular health. These foods neutralize harmful free radicals, promoting steady head growth. For an easy application, crush small amounts of blueberries and mix them with pellets. Alternatively, look for fish food brands that advertise high antioxidant content. Feed these supplements sparingly to avoid overloading the diet with unnecessary sugars or plant matter. Step 12. Introduce tank dividers. Flowerons are territorial by nature. Installing a transparent tank divider with another floweron or similarly aggressive fish on the other side encourages the dominant fish to display its head by flaringly and flexing. These actions strengthens the muscles and tissue around the head, stimulating growth. Limit these interactions to 15 to 20 minutes daily, as prolonged exposure could lead to stress or aggression. Ensure both sides of the tank have sufficient hiding spots to reduce tension. Step 13. Use clay pots for stress relief. Smooth clay pots serve as excellent hiding spots for floweron, providing them with a sense of security. When flowerons feel safe, they experience less stress, which is crucial for sustained head growth. Choosing medium-sized pots that your fish can easily swim through or rest beside. Avoid sharp edges or painted surfaces, as these could harm your floweron. Place the pot in a low traffic area of the tank to create a peaceful retreat. Step 14. Implement a post-feeding rest period. After feeding, floweron require time to digest their nutrient-rich meals. By dimming the tank lights and minimizing movement around the tank for 30 minutes post-feeding, you create a calm environment that aids digestion. Proper digestion ensures that more nutrients are absorbed and direct it toward head development. Over time, this simple routine can significantly improve overall growth and health. Step 15. Alternate light spectrums. Switching between white and blue light spectrums mimics natural day and night cycles, keeping your flower active and reducing monotony. White light encourages activity, while blue light induces calmness and relaxation. Proper lighting schedule also enhances the fish colors, making the head appear more prominent. Use an automatic timer to maintain a consistent cycle and prevent overexposure to any one light spectrum. Step 16. Feed live food strategically. Live foods like feeder fish, bloodworms, or brine shrimp are excellent for boosting head growth due to their high protein and fat content. However, they must be used strategically and sparingly. Live foods provide essential amino acids and energy that are directly utilized for head tissue development. Additionally, chasing live prey stimulates the floweron's natural hunting instincts, which help burn excess energy, keeping it active and alert. Ensure the live foods are disease-free by sourcing them from trusted suppliers or raising them yourself in a controlled environment. Feed live foods like 1 to 2 times a week to avoid dependency and maintain water quality. Step 17. Adjust tank depth. Surprisingly, the depth of the tank can influence head growth. Flowerons thrive in moderately shallow tanks of about 16 to 18 inch in depth. This setup allows for better swimming and enhances the circulation of water, ensuring more oxygen reaches the fish. A shallow tank also helps the fish conserve energy, which it can redirect toward head growth. Making sure the tank is wide enough for free swimming but not overly deep, as too much depth can stress the fish and reduce its activity levels. Step 18. Utilize stress reducing water additives. Adding stress relieving agents like almond leaves, beta spa extracts, or commercially available dechlorinators can significantly improve water quality and reduce stress levels. Almond leaves release tannins, which have antibacterial properties and create a natural tea-like environment that mimics the floweron's natural habitat. Lower stress levels ensure that the fish focuses its energy on growing and developing its head. Regularly monitor water pH levels after adding such agents, as they can lower pH if overused. Step 19. Perform tailored water changes. Water quality is crucial for maintaining a healthy and vibrant floweron. Instead of changing a large volume of water at once, perform small, frequent water changes of about 15 to 20% every 3 to 4 days. This gradual approach prevents sudden fluctuations in water parameters, ensuring a stable environment conducive to head growth. Use dechlorinated water at the same temperature as the tank water to avoid choking the fish. Adding a small amount of aquarium salt during water changes can also boost the immune system and aid in growth. Step 20. Increase tank vegetation using floating plants. While flowerons are not typically plant-loving fish, adding floating plants like duckweed or water lettuce can improve tank conditions. These plants absorb excess nitrates and provide shade, creating a stress-free environment. Less stress allows the fish to channel its energy into head development. However, regularly trim these plants to ensure they do not cover the entire tank surface, as too much coverage can reduce oxygen levels. Step 21. Use dim lighting during rest periods. Dim lighting replicates the natural dusk and dawn condition that calm the floweron. During these periods, the fish enters a relaxed state, which helps with digestion and cellular repair, directly impacting head growth. Install LED lights with dimming features and schedule them to mimic natural light cycles. Use timers to ensure consistency in the lighting schedule, promoting a healthy routine for the fish. Step 22. Employ natural growth stimulants. Natural stimulants like garlic and turmeric can be added to the diet for enhanced head growth. Garlic boosts immunity and prevent parasitic infections, ensuring the flower-on remains healthy. Turmeric, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes better digestion. Add small quantities of garlic extract or turmeric powder to food pellets once a week. Ensure that the quantities are controlled, as excessive use could alter the taste of the food or cause water cloudiness. Step 23. Introduce tank backgrounds with depth effects. Using tank backgrounds with depth illusions creates a stimulating environment for flower-on. These backgrounds encourages the fish to explore, stay active, and maintain a strong physical build, which contributes to the head development. Opt for high-resolution backgrounds depicting aquatic landscape, coral reefs, or rock formations. Ensure the background is securely attached to prevent water damage and algae buildup. Step 24. Monitor calcium and phosphorus levels. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus are essential for the skeletal and tissue development of flower-ons. Include crushed coral or mineral supplements in the tank to ensure these elements are present. Calcium enhances the structural support of the head, while phosphorus aids in energy metabolism and protein synthesis. Test water hardness regularly and adjust accordingly, as excessively hard water can harm the fish. Step 25. Encourage interaction with tank decorations. Unique decorations like smooth rocks, driftwood, or artificial caves not only enhances the aesthetic of the tank but also provides stimulation for the flower-on. Interacting with these objects build muscle strength in the fish head and neck region, promoting head growth. Choose decorations that are fish safe with no sharp edges or toxic plants. Rearrange these decorations periodically to maintain the fish interest and encourage exploration. Step 26. Practice a strict feeding schedule. Feeding your flower-on at the same time every day creates a routine that reduces stress and optimizes digestion. Consistency in feeding ensures that the fish metabolism stays active, allowing nutrients to be directed toward head development. Avoid feeding late at night, as flower-ons require rest period to metabolize their food effectively. Step 27. Introduce probiotic supplements. Probiotic supplements improve gut health by enhancing the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Add these to food pellets or water to ensure the fish benefits from a stronger immune system and better energy utilization. Healthy digestion directly translates into efficient head growth, as more nutrients are directed to the head tissue. Step 28. Mimic natural currents in the tank. Using a power head or waymaker to create mild water currents in the tank replicates the natural swimming conditions for the flower-on. Swimming against these currents builds muscle strength, especially in the head and neck region. Adjust the current strength to suit the size and activity level of your fish, ensuring it does not struggle excessively. Step 29. Conduct regular head massage. Head massage involves gently massaging the head area with a soft, fish-safe tool. This stimulates blood flow to the tissues, encouraging head growth. Always perform this procedure with extreme care and only under expert guidance, as improper handling could harm the fish. Limit massages to once every few weeks and ensure the fish is calm and stress-free during the process. Step 30. Use color enhancing lights strategically. Specialized aquarium lights that enhance red and orange hues can make the head appear larger and more vibrant. Use these lights for a few hours daily, but avoid prolonged exposure to prevent stress or algae growth. Combine these lights with proper tank cleaning to maximize their visual effect. So in the end, there you have it. These advanced, unique tips can help you maximize your flower-on's head size like never before. By following these methods, you will unlock the full potential of your fish. If you enjoyed today's video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy fish keeping from Blue Aquatics.